All right,
I was
Henry
really
comes
hoping.
in. He says, meant to say this in the last podcast, but Hondas are red, Yamahas are blue. Explorer Pro buyers belong in the sea of wimps. That doesn't rhyme at all.
Gotta love old Henry.
Yeah, well, he's a character.
Yeah.
I can't believe someone gave him a pilot's license. That terrifies me. Death from above. But
He's a big supporter of Henry of the channel.
Yeah. If only Honda would come back, but it just cost the economy wasn't that. They knew it wasn't going to be that. When they were hoping for a different outcome for 2020, and word came back real quickly that they were not going to be playing ball and getting involved with Watercraft. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.